Guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Lauren! And guess where we are?
London, isn't it?
We're in London. We're in London. We are hungry and we are reuniting. We are catching up on each other's crazy adventures in Italy. We are
some crazier than others.
No, I'm gonna keep that in actually. I could hardly tell you how I'm here right now, but I'm glad that I'm here with my bestest friend in the entire world.
Shucks.
Besides Kyridius.
We're taking the tube.
We're taking the tube to brunch. We're taking the tube to brunch
tea time.
because we are so hungry.
So hungry.
I feel like I don't even know what I'm saying.
I know. I'm like, I need food in my system.
Yes, so we'll see you guys probably when we have food.
Did we miss it? Or are we on the wrong one?
So we're supposed to be here.
We're back at the airport.
No, we're not. Okay, hold on. We'll figure this out. Literally against all odds.
And there's chocolate dip. I could shed a tear. I could cry.
I don't think I've ever been happier. I'm actually gonna devour this. We will see you guys when we're done. Nom nom nom.
Nom 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 nom.
We ate that up. Also, I was just talking to Lauren about how my nose has been stuffy, I feel like, this entire semester. And I forget what fresh air smells
Let me get
like.
that for you.
What do you, oh, thank you.
You can breathe again.
Okay, we're gonna go to the hostel now. Because our concert is at 6. Tis currently 3:45.
That's insane.
We just had breakfast at 3:45. Hey guys, we are now currently on our way to the Tempest concert. And I'm so excited. We had some costume changes.
Yes. Our hostel's a little...
Our hostel is very rinky-dinky. And I was between it and another one, and it was like the highest rated one.
So strange.
Out of the two, and I was like, what the hell? But I mean, hey, that's what you get when you pay 17 euros for a room.
It was only 17.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So,
It's alright.
save a buck if you can.
It's so cute.
And we're literally gonna be so close up to the front, so I'll try to get some videos.
Yeah.
That was so lovely.
It was so fun.
Live music is just such a beautiful thing, especially when it's music that you typically just like listen to on your daily, and then all of a sudden you hear it live and it just completely takes it out of context and makes a new meaning because of it.
Lovely. New favorite thing is going to concerts that I don't know the music for.
Yes.
In an opposite, fascinating way. I'm like, wow.
The lead singer was also such a good performer.
So cute.
He was so like sexy with it. Like he was like so smooth. I was kind of like, you know that you're the center of attention right now.
Oh my god, wait, what was I gonna say? Train of thought lost.
That's a...
Fuck.
Oh no. We're currently on our way back to the hostel.
Yes.
I'm exhausted. I didn't sleep last night because I went out to the club. And now it's a concert, and now I'm literally holding on by a thread. So unless I have anything else crazy to say, I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. Guys, we had hostel difficulties. Totally my fault though. Of course I booked the most economical because I always save a buck. I feel like we were the only women in there, and everyone else was a man over the age of 40. It is currently like 12 o'clock. I'm so tired, but we got moved. Now we're in a double, so Lauren and I can cuddle.
Yay!
The second night that you come, if you guys...
Sorry.
Please.
I'm so sorry.
No,
You were
please.
talking.
Basic,
Do I need to close the door?
You don't have to. You can open the... You can free piss.
You can't free piss?
Please
well,
free
actually,
piss.
now I figured it out.
No, well, now I kind of feel left out. Well, that's
Okay,
actually
well-
where my light is coming from.
Oh, okay. Well, then I'll just... Don't mind me.
Yeah.
Just cut the audio out.
So, yeah. We'll just like, wait a few seconds. So, I'll just keep talking. I'm kidding. I'm actually just gonna let you piss. We'll actually see you tomorrow this time. We're so thankful, grateful, and blessed. Good night. We're on the tube.
In East London, he was attacked by a swan and he broke his arm.
Oh my gosh! Did you hear it broke his arm? The swan? The swan broke the kid's arm.
Oh my gosh. We're with her and her uncle, and it's so beautiful in the little countryside.
It's so quiet, isn't it?
It's so nice. It's so pretty. I love horses.
You ride?
Do you ride them? No, but I wish I did. Because I think that is really cool. Like, look at them. They're just such like majestic creatures.
It's so cool. Here, wait, I'll try and I don't know if it'll work. If I can get a picture of.
Hey vlog. I'm currently fighting demons to stay awake right now. I have not vlogged like literally all day because we are currently with Lauren's aunt and uncle at their house in Braintree. I don't even know if I told you that we were gonna do that. Auntie Linda and Uncle Michael, that is the lovely people that we are staying with. Our day has consisted of tea and scones and cream tea and taking a lovely walk to Flatford. We had some lovely fish and chips at a pub and it was actually so lovely. Say hello, Lauren.
Huh?
Say hello.
Oh, to the vlog.
I'm apologizing for being so absent, but saying we're thankful for being present.
Right. Amen. Finding
and-
the balance of documentation and presentation.
Did you just come up with that?
Hell yeah.
That was kind of good. Give me some. Anything you want to say?
Just grateful to be here, man.
Literally just so grateful to be here.
It's
This
been
is
such
so
a
cute.
wholesome day.
It's just our little setup. Look! Look at and the little view.
It's so lovely.
We'll see you guys later. Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
We just had tea and crumpets and eggs. I bet you guys are wondering, what are we getting up to today? And let me tell you, we are going to see Hadestown at the West End Theater. Let's literally go. I'm so excited. I mean, I've always wanted to see a show in the West End Theater.
Yes.
And singing with Lauren just makes sense. We're so excited for the day. I'm gonna see some of London. Because low-key haven't seen it yet.
seen London.
Haven't been there yet.
not-
I'm also like, Lauren is like, whatever you want to see like of London, like we can do that. And I'm like, I can be back to London. You know what I won't be back to? Probably your aunt and uncle's little cute fairy tale house in Braintree. A little house tour, I'm actually obsessed with this oven, and that is my frontal lobe developing. Vlogception. Oh my gosh.
He's getting a bit silver, that one as well.
This is so cute. Wow. Hey girl. I love it. I think I'm going to exist in a constant state of sleepiness on this trip. Lauren said that the first night in the hostel, she asked me, she was like, did you set an alarm for tomorrow? And I was like, yes. And then I went like, and she thought that I was joking. So she was like, you're so silly, but then I kept snoring.
literally we're talking. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna scroll on my phone for a little bit. She's like, okay, yeah. And I was like, did you set an alarm? She's like, yeah. And I was like, oh, you're so funny. She was not.
I was not joking. Sorry, this vlog has been kind of like all over the place, but we have been all over the place, so it's just fitting in that way.
So we need to get on this one.
No. We're going.
Why did everyone leave to go on that one?
Not everyone left. Hold on one second. Hey, so that is in fact the train that we need to be on right now, so we're gonna run over there real quick. Hey, we made it. The way I was like, oh, I think it's this one, and then you get her. Oh, it's recording. Often we're near the Big Ben and the Westminster Abbey thing. Woo! And the
Westminster
Ferris
Abbey.
wheel. What is it called?
Westminster Abbey.
Is that not what I said? I don't want to even be here anymore. There it is.
I knew a Ben once.
What happened?
Got too big. You ever take your little cheesecake factory and she goes, I don't want to eat too much, I don't want to get big. Girl, too late. How tall do you think that is? Like at least.
That's like I was gonna say at least 8 inches.
At least.
Cross with care, cross with care. Wait. What is this melody? Wait, what is this song called?
Shape of You.
She would know. They're currently playing Shape of You and that song follows her everywhere. He's eating that up, I'm not even gonna lie.
I'm not gonna lie, I could do that as well.
Lauren, no.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, did that just break?
No.
No, Lauren. Lauren and I were just talking about how we're two girls that really don't know anything that we're talking about. No, you're kidding. You're kidding. Good love. Guys, that was like literally 3/4 full as well. Hold on, let me regroup. We're regrouped. Lauren thought this was the Supreme Court. I was like, I don't think it's the Supreme Court.
Gracie and I keep saying things confidently that we don't know. So I'm like, bro, this is the Supreme Court.
And I was like, I really don't think it is.
And then like, what did you were like, is it Notre Dame or Notre Dame?
I was like, is it Notre Dame or Notre Dame? And then you were like, Notre Dame.
You're like, it's in Indiana.
I don't know at the school. Notre Dame is in Paris. Notre Dame is the school. Lauren said it's also the team.
It's their team.
Come on. I just ran into a lady and I was like, I apologize.
Gracie's an asshole.
We're gonna get ice cream.
This place is really good soft serve.
Oh, a soft serve?
Yeah, is that okay?
Get it? Okay, wait, hold on. No, they have
Wait, hold on.
Okay.
Oh, Gracie, they have soft serve.
Oh, a soft serve? Get it? Cause like, it's like just like subtle with it.
I see the red light. I know you're recording me right now.
Cheers. That's us in another universe. You just pecked at him. Why are they running? What are they doing? There it is. We're so excited. Guys, we're in the theatre. I'm actually so excited.
I'm so excited.
that's what emotional damage looks like on stage. How was singing it for the third time?
Still sad. Still cried at every part I always cry at.
She warned me that it was gonna be sad, and I was like, oh, she literally told me how it ended. And I was like, okay, lightweight. And the whole time I was fine. I was like, whatever, I know, like, it's just not gonna end good. And then it happened, and I was like, oh.
That's literally the point. It's like you know how it's gonna end, but you keep
And they
going.
kept saying it was like, it's the same old song again, but it's the same song. We know how it ends, but we'll sing it again.
Why am I gonna cry again?
I have sang the same song again, and it never ends the way you.
I'm gonna walk, and I'm gonna prove I won't look back.
Okay, you know what? Let's practice that. Go. Oh god, no. So I'm going to hell.
Oh, it's starting.
Anyways, we are gonna go get food now to eat our pain away. We're about to munch. Okay. Guys, we forgot about you.
We did.
We really forgot about you. I'm sorry. We're in Barcelona.
I'm really overexposed.
So I think that you guys should head over from this vlog and directly go to our Barcelona vlog, because you're gonna see us in the exact same outfits saying hello,
Same shot.
welcome to Barcelona. We had a lovely time in England. And currently I'm about to ask my travel companion, what was your favorite part of England?
Shucks, just one. My favorite part of Braintree was spending time with my family, because I miss them and love them, and they're just so silly and kind and lovely people. My favorite part of London? Probably Easter. I also like seeing Big Ben again. I'd been to London, so like
She Big Ben to London.
She Big Ben to London. Let me tell you.
My favorite part of London
What's your favorite part?
of England was getting to spend time in the countryside with Lauren and her family. I'm not gonna pick two, because that one was just an overarching amazing thing. It was my favorite because it's so much fun, like, getting to know people and like that live in certain countries, because you actually get a feel of what it is like to live in that country and a genuine feel for it. And I just think that is a beautiful thing. And that was like mine and Lauren's first trip, and it was so swimming success. I mean, you guys saw the video.
Cut
You
to
know
the
how-
coffee falling, lav mic breaking, transportation.
You know how seamless it was. Thank you guys so much for watching our trip to England. I hope you guys enjoyed. And to see more content of me and Lauren, stay up to date with our upcoming travels. We're in Barcelona. That video will be coming out soon. And we're also going to go to Croatia at some point in this semester.
Back in the split.
Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. The besties in Europa. We'll see you guys next time.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Mwah. Oh, we're still here. Okay, bye.
Here we go. I'll try and I don't know if it'll work. If I can get a picture of it with the view.